We have this concept of generative architecture in the microcosm of buildings, where the building geometry for each and every building would be such that it contributes in a collective way to the grid, and buildings that are adjacent or nearby could benefit. So let's take a quick look at projects that we ourselves have developed. And so we have vision for proposed roof concepts that would be such that they would create a yield of fruit, vegetables, so you'd have a garden building that in fact actually is growing product that could be utilized. Now, it could be that you would have a specific crop, such as an ice wine that we mentioned a little earlier, and that is the high yield crop, which then, of course, you wouldn't actually technically have all of the variety that people would utilize, but the net worth of the crop would exceed the consumption. That is the visualization and the vision that we have. And this is a great project that we've designed. It also has, of course, all of the aesthetic and recreational attributes and the beautiful views, outdoor living environments. And again, a building that is covered in vegetation could be exceedingly beautiful and a wonderful way to incorporate buildings into the environment. It would encourage birds and wildlife and so forth to be in the environment. They'd be less impacted upon. You'll also notice we've got some vertical axis wind generators in this particular model, and just a beautiful opportunity to blend buildings with their natural environment, and gives you a bit of the vision that we have for generative architecture. Now, this is One Central Park in Australia by French architect Jean Nouvel, and he is utilizing reflectors to bring warmth and light to what is otherwise a dark portion of the building to the north side. It was able to produce the concept, and what a wonderful, innovative way to increase the potential for yield. So of course, in the context of generative architecture, our vision would be that ideas such as this are used to increase capacities. We've talked to you about Winnipeg, the Mountain Equipment Co-op, which has a roof garden which creates transvaporation and cools the building. We have a lot of opportunities to actually take this whole concept of being self-sufficient and doing it in the microcosmic world of individual buildings. And that is a concept that would really be innovative, that would change the way we think about our built environment and the built form.